Jai Hind students, we were discussing about after First World War what was happened in Germany and what happened after the Second World War in Germany. So after First World War, they in the leadership of Hitler, Germans started killings many of Jews. Over 6 million Jews were killed. Gypsies. 1 million Polish civilians were killed. 70,000 Germans who were considered mentally and physically disabled, and so many other civilians or military peoples of different nations and countries were either lost their life or they become disabled. So behind all these killing and cruelty, Germans were being alleged as responsible for these causes. After this, a military tribunal set up after Second World War, when Germany became defeated. A military tribunal which set up in Nuremberg, they alleged 11 leaders of Nazi to death. They alleged, and only 11, but they had alleged only 11 leaders of Nazi to death. Many other were imposed for life imprisonment, Umar Kaid, Ajeevan Karavas in our Hindi term. The retributions did come, yet the punishment of the Nazi was far short of the brutality and extent of their crimes. I want to say that, however, after Second World War, Hitler with his family and with some leader of Nazi, when they know that they become defeated in Second World War, which they were started as to get victory on whole world, they all decided to do suicide, and they all committed suicide. So Hitler, who had already do suicide, his family had already do suicide, and so many Nazi leaders also commit suicide after defeat of Germany. So, because they have fear that whatever they had do with Jews and other nations, definitely the other nations and Jews will take the revenge with them. By the fear of that revenge, by the fear of that punishment, whatever they had done in the past, after First World War to between Second World War, when they will find it as a guilt, they will definitely punished. So by fear of this punishment, many of them, not all of them, many of them committed suicide in Germany. The Allies did not want to be harsh of defeated Germany as they had been after the First World War.